Do you hear that? It's a beeping noise. It won't leave me alone. I don't know what it is. It just beeps. I even went outside. I thought it was something technological, right? But I went outside and it kept on beeping. Am I going crazy? I'm not going crazy. I'm not going crazy. I'm not crazy. It's a beeping noise. It's a beeping noise. Do you hear that? Shh. Listen. That. Right there. That beeping noise. Why? Why won't it? Damn it. Why? Can't you hear it? Hey guys. I found out what the beeping noise was. My phone was going dead and it was beeping because it was going dead and I kept it in my pocket. That's what followed me. I'm not crazy. Right? I'm not crazy, right? Right? Random clicking noise. Sorry, I just had to say that. Ray William Johnson, you've got the cool transition. I've got the random clicking noise. Anyway, sorry for that little bit of a flip out. I kind of forgot to take my meds. So today I'm going to be doing a couple of things. The first thing, before I get into stuff, is I was doing my history homework right today, and I turned to chapter 29, Revolutions and National States in the Atlantic World, and I think the picture is so hilarious. Okay, this picture, it's really epic, you know. Let's see if you, okay, see that? That is a chick, and her breasts, not only are they exposed, but they're blurred, because it's a textbook, so they're blurred. And what I really like is this guy. I don't know if you can see where he's looking, but he's looking directly at her, and I can totally hear him thinking, I'm gonna die in like 5 seconds. I might as well have a lot of fun with this image. Like, I'm gonna look at some girl parts right before I die, and then he dies. So that's just what goes on in my mind. So yeah. Okay, so before I go, a couple extra announcements. I'm outside again, you notice? And the lighting's good. Oh yeah. Okay, so I have 5 subscribers. Yeah. 4 of them I don't know in real life. They just subscribed because they're awesome like that. Yeah, so I think when I have 10, because I really am excited because I found a name for my subscribers, I'm going to show you my name for my subscribers. Not my real name, my subscriber name. Yeah, so when I have 10, you guys are going to get names. Because I'm really jumping the gun at this, but I'm very excited. Okay, alright, so I found this incredible book, because I've been grounded for a couple of weeks, so I've just been reading instead of going onto the computer, because I've been grounded from the computer. Don't ask me why. And so, one of the most fantastic books I've ever read in my whole entire life is this. Bart Simpson's Guide to Life. It answers all of your important questions. And so I think I'm going to be reading bits of it to you every time I make a video. I'm going to put a bit of Bart Simpson's Guide to Life in it, because I think that's really cool.
So, I'm going to start from the beginning, and it's called School. See that? I love his dunce cap, it's so funny. Anyway, so, we're going to go to the very first page. Last minute show and tell ideas. On your way out to the door. On your way out the door before you realise it's show and tell day, here's some official BART-tested crowd pleasers guaranteed to pull you through in a pinch. Old rule of thumb: if you can't dazzle them with brilliance, baffle them with bull. Remember, always keep a straight face, and if all else fails, gross them out. Around the house. Number 1, scars. Will do in a pinch, make up a good story. Granny's dentures. Squirmifying. I didn't make that. It's in the book. That. Number 3, potato chips in the shape of celebrities. Richard Nixon is a surefire crowd pleaser. Number 4, stitches. Always impressive, be creative in explaining how they got there. 5, baby teeth. Wait till they fall out before taking. 6, the baby. Wait till mom's not looking before taking. Your dad's toupee. Your parents' rifle. A sibling's art project. Your dad's extra large briefs for extra large size laughs. A picture of your uncle's tattoo. Ah, your older sister, a never-ending supply of fascinating source material. I'm the oldest of 3, so I can see 4. I'm the oldest of 4, so I can see all 3 siblings doing this to me. Her underwire bra, her diary, her falsies, her poetry book. I have one of those. Her birth control devices, inscrutable and fascinating. So that's enough blasphemy for today. That's Bud Simpson's Guide to Life. If you have any suggestions, of course, always comment, because I have absolutely nothing else to do besides go onto YouTube. So, I think that's it. And more to come, of course. There always is. So, I'll see ya, I think. Yeah. Alright. So, that's it. Bye. Random clicking noise. Did I do it?